I've been home for about a week now, a little over a week from the hospital. Um, don't really get to go outside much. My left leg, I can't really move my left leg, so getting out of bed is a little bit of a hassle. Just trying to scoot around the bed to the edge to get to my walker using one leg, keeping my left leg, which is immobile, straight, has been a headache. But my wife took me out today. She wheeled me out around the neighborhood just so I could get some sun, some vitamin D, some fresh air. Um, yeah, it's been good being home. Hopefully, I can get better and better every day at walking, and hopefully, I can get to a cane, and then hopefully, I can just be back to normal.